Oriri ruhonge rwa borithi rukoretwo rukimurikwo ni muingi gukirikana kuri na mubango wa kurenga mishara ya maabithaa a borithi aria mongererwo mishara thutha wa kugia na degree. Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta nieraniire thirikari yake niigithitie na njira nene kugacirithia miikarire na mirutire ya wira ya maabithaa a borithi undu umwe na ruhonge rwa borithi.
My administration has radically revamped the Kenya Police Service. You have today better, more modern equipment and are better able to respond to routine requirements and emergencies, and the police to civilian ratio is greatly improved. Second, my administration has committed a considerable amount of resources to address welfare and overall conditions of service, and we are also in the process of constructing more and better housing units so that officers can live in a dignified manner.
Akiaria hindi ya kuhumba thũmbĩ makurutu 3,969 a borithi thukuru-ini wa borithi wa Kiganjo, President niongereire kuuga ruhonge rwa borithi ruri na itemi hari kugacirithia utonga wa bururi na uria muingi unyitane na borithi kugacirithia ugitiri.
Security agencies alone cannot effectively eliminate these challenges, and I therefore today once again urge every Kenyan to play their role in fighting crime. Pass to the police vital information on any suspicious happening in your neighborhood, and together as a people, we are better placed to successfully fight crime.
President niatugiritie unyitaniri uria ukoretwo kuo gatagati ka honge ngurani cia ugitiri kuhurana ciiko cia ikinai, akiuga unyitaniri ucio ni ucungirire kunyiha gwa thariko cia itoi guku bururi-ini na kuri makurutu aria marikirie mathomo mao umuthi.
As you leave this college, I urge you to live by the virtues and ideals as imparted in you by your instructors, owing to your superior training. You will also be deployed to serve in all parts of our country, and it is expected of you to appreciate the diversity of our culture.
Miario ya Mutongoria wa bururi yukitie oriri abunge marendekithie muikarire wa kamiti ya kuramata ruhonge rwa borithi Johnson Kavuludi eyeheria gituro-ini kiuma kiuga ni aremetwo kuramata ruhonge ruu uria kwagiriire.
I would urge Mr. Kavuludi and his team that this commission is such an important commission that if you have realized that you have reached your limit, please just exit and allow Kenyans to look for another person.
Timu ya Kavuludi isiwe tu ni timu ya vyombo vya habari, iwe ni timu ya kuhakikisha kwamba hawa watu wamesikizwa.
Makurutu aria marekirie mathomo mao umuthi ni wa mbere kuhuthira mutaratara mweru wa mathomo ma borithi uria utanyitwo kwagirithia ruhonge rwa borithi hari kuhitana na wikinayo ndumwe na guthingatithia ugitiri. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.